Did you know that the right AI tools can supercharge your financial future? And no, I'm not talking about robots taking over. I'm talking about you taking control. By the end of this video, you'll have 5 game-changing AI tools to transform your finances in 2025. But stick around because I'll share one tool that could make you money while you sleep. Yes, literally. 1. ChatGPT, your AI money coach. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's like having a personal finance expert in your pocket. This AI powerhouse can help you break down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable steps. Need help creating a detailed budget tailored to your income and expenses? ChatGPT can guide you through it. Want personalized tips to reduce debt or boost your savings? Just ask. It can even help you draft professional emails, negotiate bills, or brainstorm ideas for side hustles. But fair warning, it won't remind you to cancel your Netflix subscription when you're broke. That's on you. Speaking of creative tools, let's talk about the AI that turns your ideas into cash. 2. Leonardo AI, turning creativity into currency. Leonardo AI is your go-to for stunning visuals. Whether you're launching a side hustle on Etsy, designing a digital product, or leveling up your social media game, this tool helps you produce professional quality graphics in minutes. You can use it to create logos, banners, product mock-ups, or even unique art pieces to sell online. The best part? No design experience required. Leonardo AI's templates and customization features make it super user-friendly. And if you think AI-generated art is just for fun, wait until you hear how this next tool could literally speak wealth into existence. 311 Labs, your AI voiceover partner. 11 Labs makes creating high-quality voiceovers a breeze. Imagine starting a YouTube channel with engaging narration or producing audiobooks that sound like they were recorded in a professional studio. The platform allows you to generate realistic AI voices in multiple languages and tones, perfect for creating podcasts, e-learning content, or even ads for your business. You can customize the pitch, pace, and emotion of the voice, making it incredibly versatile. Oh, and don't worry, the AI voices won't sound like your GPS saying, recalculating. Now, if you're wondering how to turn all this AI-generated content into a full-on income machine, here's the tool you've been waiting for. 4. Jasper AI, your AI content guru. Jasper AI is like having a 24/7 content team. It writes blog posts, email campaigns, and even social media captions that drive engagement and sales. Imagine having AI help you craft persuasive product descriptions, engaging newsletters, or viral TikTok scripts. It's also perfect for SEO, generating keyword-optimized content that attracts traffic to your website or online store. With Jasper, you can scale your content creation without burning out, making it a must-have for entrepreneurs and freelancers. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you see the tool that makes investing smarter and easier. 5. Wealthfront AI, smarter investing made simple. Wealthfront is an AI-driven investing platform that handles everything from budgeting to automating investments. Its robo-advisors use advanced algorithms to build and manage a diversified portfolio tailored to your goals. Want to save for a house, a dream vacation, or retirement? Wealthfront optimizes your investments to help you reach those milestones faster. It even offers tax loss harvesting to save you money on taxes. And the best part? You can start with as little as $500, making investing accessible to almost everyone. And no, you don't need a finance degree or a crystal ball. Just let the AI do its thing. Now that you've got the tools, it's time to put them to work. But wait, there's one more thing. Want to learn exactly how to use these AI tools to save and make money in 2025? Click on this video right here. It's packed with actionable tips to get you started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. Your financial freedom is just one click away. See you in the next video.